Hi children, today we are going to do another exercise, singular plural. Now, to this singular noun, we will take away one letter F, we will add VES, then you get a new word and that's a plural form. It's a very interesting exercise, taking away VF and adding VES to a word to form the plural. Very interesting. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's look at our first picture. Look at the picture. Find the word. Remove the F. Add VS. Alright? Look. What do you see here? Leaf. One leaf. How do you spell leaf? L-E-A-F. Leaf. Singular form, one leaf, and we have 4 here. To form the plural, what do we do to this word? We take away F, add V-E-S to form the plural word. So, L-E-A-V-E-S, one leaf, 4 leaves, singular leaf, plural, leaves. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at another picture. See what we have here. Where do you get this? At the baker. What does the baker make? Baker bakes bread. Nice, fresh, loaf of bread. We have 1 here and we have 2 here. Spell loaf. L-O-A-F. Loaf. 1 loaf of bread. Singular form, loaf. And we have 2 here. So we'll remove the F, add V-E-S. L-O-A-V-E-S. Loaves. 2 loaves of bread. Singular, loaf, plural, loaves. 1 loaf of bread, 2 loaves of bread. Good. Let's look at another picture. What are we doing? We are doing singular plural. Removing F, adding VS. What do you see here? Half a circle. And you have 2, 1 half here, another half here. Spell half. H-A-L-F. Half. It's a half a circle. Half. We have 2 here. So we say 2 halves. We'll take away F, add V-E-S. 1 half, 2 halves. H-A-L-V-E-S. Halves. Yes? Good. Let's look at another picture. Look what you have here. What is this? Shelf. What do you put in the shelf? You can put clothes and shoes and whatnot. We have 1 here. We have 2 here. Spell shelf. S-H-E-L-F. S-H-E-L-F. Shelf. We have shelf at home to put in things, to keep it in order. Shelf. We have 2 here. So to form the plural, we remove F, add V-E-S. S-H-E-L-V-E-S. Shelves. 1 shelf, 2 shelves. Singular form, shelf, plural, shelves. Did you learn? Good. Let's look at another picture. What is this? Oh, thief. Who is a thief? Who comes and take away that belongs to you. Valuable things. Spell thief. T-H-I-E-F. Thief. Who is a thief? A robber. We have 2 robbers here. So the singular form is thief. To form the plural, we take away F, add VES. Thieves. Singular form thief. Plural form THIEVES. Thieves. One thief. Two thieves. Singular thief. Plural thieves. Curd. Let's look at another picture. With this. Wolf. Bad wolf. We have one here and we have several here. 4 here. Spell wolf. 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 Singular form. One wolf. 4. We take away F, add VES. 4 wolves. WOLVES. One wolf. 4 wolves. Singular wolf. Plural wolves. Curd. Let's get on with another picture. Look what you have here. What is this? Mama uses this in the kitchen. Knife. Knife. There's 1 here and 3 here. Spell knife. 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 Singular form. One knife. Now, let's form the plural. 3 knives. KNI. Here we take away F and E2. KNI is knives. 1 knife. 3 knives. Singular knife. Plural knives. Curd. Let's look at another picture.